everyone, how are you? I am doing a unboxing today of some E.L.F. products, and I'm going to give you my first impressions. I'm sure I will follow up with you later and let you know what I think of them, like a full review. But I just got them in the mail, so I can't give you a full review because these are products that I've never used before. One's a brush, but I mean, how it performs, you know, long term. I love all my other E.L.F. brushes, so I pretty much can guess on that one. But the other products, not sure about, never tried them. So here's my little box. It is opened. I have opened the box, and to be honest, just, you know, the products came with these little clear stickers, and I didn't want to fiddle with that on camera, so I did just slice those. But I didn't take the product out or do anything like that. So anyway, there you go. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. All right, well, we'll go ahead and get started. I only bought 5 products, so I'm going to do the easy or smaller ones first. I told you I bought a brush. I bought this one. It is the highlighting brush. Having a highlighting brush in my arsenal is not something I have. Oh, I like this. And it's kind of, well, it is. It's dome shaped. It's very fluffy. Let me grab a highlighter. I have highlighter on today. If you like this makeup look, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do it. I'm actually just going grocery shopping when I'm done with this, and I went a little crazy. So there's that. Okay, anyway. Oh, it feels really good. Huh. All right. This will do. I'll put a little more on. Why not? I mean, can you really have too much highlighter? I mean, I guess you can. Oh, this is nice. Even for your nose. And it's not shedding or anything like that. I want to say this was $1. It was not expensive. Obviously, it's E.L.F. And it's made very well. It feels sturdy. Those bristles are very, very soft. It might have been $3. I don't remember. Anyway, I'll have links down below as well. Actually, some ways for you to save some money with E.L.F. Those links are down below. So check that out. Anytime I can save you guys money, I'm going to give you links to things. So I am an affiliate with E.L.F. Just to be honest with you, but it helps me out, but it doesn't affect you at all. It just gives you a link to a deal and helps me out. Anyway, liquid eyeliner. Now we all know the one like this from Wet n Wild I love. So I haven't really used that for a while because I've been so obsessed with other eyeliners. Oh, and I can't open this. It does not. Maybe I should have pre-opened this one. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's see what the brush looks like. Not bad. It's a little bit thicker. Let's see what the product. Oh, that gives a nice line. I mean, that's one swipe. That's not, I didn't go over it again. So here, I'll go down and go up. Okay, so this thinner line is just one swipe down, and this one is swiped up and swiped down. So I think that's really good. Oh, I'm excited to use this. All right, so that goes back there to use. Okay, does not dry the quickest. Yeah, it's still smudging. And usually by now, pause. Usually by now that would be, if it were the Wet n Wild, it would be dry. Now, did I just put it on too thick? Something like that? Maybe. Don't know. But I will try it out and let you know what I think. Okay, I've heard really, really good things about this. This is the HD powder. High definition loose powder creates soft focus effect on the skin, helps mask fine lines and imperfections for a radiant looking complexion, new and improved design with open and closed inner dial. Ooh, that's exciting. That helps control the amount of product dispensed for a mess-free, easy use. All right, and it gives me directions, so I hope this isn't too complicated. I mean, I'm sure I can figure it out, but okay, so there's the packaging. Nice, sleek packaging. It doesn't look like, okay, if you can see in there, like it doesn't seem like the product is full, but I mean, again, it's E.L.F. and for what you pay. Okay, peel off and turn dial. Well, how in the world? I'm back. That took a little bit. Hopefully you don't have a fresh manicure when you get this, or you use tweezers. I didn't use tweezers, but okay. In screw cap, turn inner dial to reveal opening, which this side has little dots. This side doesn't, which it slides very easily. So I'm sure if you traveled with this, you would have loose powder everywhere. I mean, I'm sure there's a way you could put a piece of tape or something over that so that wouldn't move. That would probably work. Okay, anyway. Carefully pour powder into cap. Gently glide a brush over powder and tap off excess when not in use. All right, we're going to try just a little bit of this. So you take the little cap, and it even says, pour powder here. I mean, woo! Okay, it comes out easily. I'm just going to use this highlighting brush just because this would be a nice brush as well for this area. We'll do this under my eyes. Because if I use loose powder, 9 times out of 10, this is especially the area I'm going to use it. Just right in there. Okay, it feels really good on the skin. And I don't mean just the brush, but the powder, it's very, very light, finely milled. Doesn't really smell. I mean, usually powders don't, but it doesn't really have that talky, do you know what I mean? Talky smell. So next time I do my makeup, I mean, I guess I could have not done my makeup today and tried that out, but I did not do that. Okay, I got the Daily Hydration Moisturizer, and it has purified water, vitamin E, and jojoba. I hope I'm saying that right, because I always screw that up. Okay, let me read to you. Obviously, just so you all know, E.L.F. products are all cruelty-free. They don't have paraben sulfates or yeah, this, because we all know I can't. Okay, so cruelty-free, and I like that about them, honestly. And I'm not going to get into it, but I do like that is something that they stand for. How do I put it that way? Okay. Get glowing. Healthy looking skin with this lightweight, fresh scented moisturizer. Oh boy. Infused with purified water, skin nourishing jojoba, aloe, vitamin E, and cucumber. Our formula keeps skin feeling hydrated and moisturized with its also rich antioxidant shea butter, grape, and orange. Okay, you're supposed to massage a small amount into your hands and then apply on face and neck until absorbed into the skin. Apply daily. All right, a little bit of packaging. Okay, so there was this. And affordable. I mean, it's not $2 or $3, but it was affordable. Now, I'm just using this on my hand. Clearly, I have makeup on. But, okay, it comes out. I like the pump. I like that. When it gets to a point that it's down far enough, I can always cut the packaging. Okay. Very light scent. Almost fresh, but way off in the distance, I can smell some citrus. So I can, that packaging probably well. Oh. Now, I've used the same hand for everything, but I'm trying to avoid that eyeliner. Okay, that is very moisturizing. Now, the true test will be is if my skin becomes friends with this and doesn't break out. My skin, it's a very unpredictable little beast. So it can like you or it can hate you. And if it hates you, it's going to break out like crazy. So I'm hoping that this works out well. I like to try once in a while some different moisturizers, and especially if it's more affordable. I'd rather spend more money on makeup. Just being honest. Okay, Hydrating Coconut Mist. Okay, we know it's coconut. I mean, this was the first thing in my basket, if you want me to be completely honest. It's coconut. And I'm all about a face mist. All about it. The only thing that I'm going to be picky about with this, and I'm going to read the box to you here in a second. The only thing I'm going to be picky about with this is the spray. Because there's nothing worse than having a product that has this wide spray and you're spraying everything around you, or it's like a straight line and it's like a water gun hitting you. Bad. I just want a nice, fine, pretty mist. So I'm hoping, because if this does it, it's comparable because my MAC Fix Plus, this is less expensive than the Fix Plus, and I like this, the coconut. So far, as long as the spray is good, I'm probably going to choose this. Okay, let's read it to you. Let me start that again. Okay, this lightweight mist hydrates the skin and refreshes makeup with an invigorating coconut scent. Perfect to start or end your day, or even for a midday refresher. So yeah, you could put this in your purse, especially if you live somewhere where it's warm or if it's summer. This would work. And enriched with coconut and vitamin E to nourish the skin, which is why I got this, because we're going into fall and my skin's going to be dry. Hold the bottle at several inches away from face. Spray with a light layer of mist over your makeup or bare skin with your eyes closed. I mean, I don't know who would spray this with their eyes open, but all right. Okay, folks, here we go. I'm going to put this behind my ears for a second because nobody needs all that up in the mist. Oh. Okay. That scent of coconut is amazing. Sold on that. The mist, it's a little bit wider than what I would want, but when you're spraying it out like that, the mist is perfect. Like it covers your face. So you probably only need a couple pumps of this. This is phenomenal. I like this. I'll be definitely using this. I want more. Want more. Oh, that's phenomenal. The smell alone. Yeah, I like this a lot. This is a must-have. Order now. I don't know if this is a summer thing and that if they're going to get rid of this, but I wouldn't think so because so many people like coconut that it's a year-round thing. It's not like it used to be where you could only smell like coconut, you know, in the summer. This is a year-round thing. This, I would hope. I hope E.L.F. does not get rid of that. If I see it's discontinued, I will alert all of you and we'll have to buy it all up. Okay, that is everything I bought from E.L.F. My little box is empty. If you want me to do a full face of E.L.F., I would be happy to do that. Leave that in the comments as well. So, all right. Well, there was my... I kind of do this on Mondays. It seems like it's Makeup Monday. Anyway, so if you like this, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I don't know what this was, but... All right. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks again for being here. Don't forget to check out the giveaway video if you're new here. Make sure that you're entered in that. And I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye.